Number 1. New York City, New York. New York City is often referred to as the cultural capital of the world. It boasts an array of iconic landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and Central Park. The city is renowned for its vibrant art scene, including Broadway theaters, world-class museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and a diverse array of cultural festivals. New York City is also home to a rich culinary landscape, offering everything from street food to Michelin-starred restaurants. Its diverse neighborhoods, such as Chinatown, Little Italy, and Harlem, each provide unique cultural experiences and histories. Number 2. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles is the epicenter of the entertainment industry, home to Hollywood and numerous film studios. Visitors can explore the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the Getty Center, and the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. The city's cultural diversity is reflected in its neighborhoods, cuisine, and art scene, from the street art of Venice Beach to the historic Olvera Street. Los Angeles also hosts a variety of annual cultural events and festivals, such as the Los Angeles Film Festival, showcasing its vibrant community spirit. Additionally, the city's beaches, such as Santa Monica and Malibu, offer a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural activities. Number 3. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago is known for its impressive architecture, with landmarks like the Willis Tower and the Frank Lloyd Wright home and studio. The city also boasts a rich musical heritage, particularly in jazz and blues. Cultural institutions such as the Art Institute of Chicago and the Museum of Contemporary Art provide a deep dive into both classical and modern art. Chicago's culinary scene is equally renowned, famous for its deep dish pizza and diverse food festivals like Taste of Chicago. The city's lakefront, with attractions like Navy Pier and Millennium Park, offers a blend of cultural and recreational activities, making Chicago a vibrant and multifaceted urban destination. Number 4. New Orleans, Louisiana. New Orleans is famous for its unique blend of French, Spanish, and Creole cultures. The city's music scene, particularly jazz, is legendary, with live performances available nightly in the French Quarter. Mardi Gras is a major cultural event, attracting visitors from around the globe to experience its vibrant parades and festivities. Number 5. San Francisco, California. San Francisco's cultural identity is marked by its historical landmark like the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island. The city's neighborhoods, such as Chinatown and the Mission District, offer a rich tapestry of cultural experiences. The San Francisco Museum of Modern Art and the city's numerous festivals highlight its commitment to the arts. San Francisco is also known for its progressive spirit and history of social movements, from the Summer of Love in the 1960s to the ongoing tech innovation in Silicon Valley. Number 6. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Santa Fe is known for its Pueblo-style architecture and vibrant art scene. It hosts the renowned Santa Fe Indian Market, the largest of its kind in the world, showcasing Native American art and culture. Santa Fe is also home to a rich history, with landmarks like the Palace of the Governors and the San Miguel Mission, the oldest church in the United States. The city's high desert landscape provides a stunning backdrop for outdoor activities, such as hiking and exploring the nearby Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Number 7. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston's rich history is evident in landmarks such as the Freedom Trail and the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum. The city's cultural scene is bolstered by institutions like the Boston Symphony Orchestra and the Museum of Fine Arts. Its numerous colleges and universities, including Harvard and MIT, contribute to a vibrant intellectual atmosphere. Boston also features a diverse culinary scene, from historic Faneuil Hall Marketplace to the Italian restaurants of the North End. The city's waterfront and Charles River Esplanade offer picturesque views and recreational activities. Number 8. Seattle, Washington. Seattle is known for its tech industry and vibrant music scene, being the birthplace of grunge. The Space Needle and Pike Place Market are iconic attractions. The city's cultural offerings include the Seattle Art Museum, the Museum of Pop Culture, and numerous music festivals and live performances. Seattle is also surrounded by stunning natural beauty, with easy access to outdoor adventures in the nearby Cascade and Olympic Mountains. The city's waterfront offers scenic views of Puget Sound, and attractions like the Seattle Great Wheel and the Seattle Aquarium add to its appeal. Number 9. Austin, Texas. Austin bills itself as the live music capital of the world, with an impressive array of live music venues and festivals, including South by Southwest. The city's cultural diversity is reflected in its food scene and artistic communities. The Texas State Capitol and the Bullock Texas State History Museum provide insights into the state's rich history. Austin's outdoor spaces, such as Zilker Park and Lady Bird Lake, offer recreational activities and host numerous events and festivals throughout the year. The city's eclectic vibe is further showcased in its vibrant street art, unique boutiques, and bustling markets like the Austin Flea. Number 10. Miami, Florida. Miami's cultural landscape is deeply influenced by its Cuban and Latin American communities. The city's vibrant art scene is showcased in the Wynwood Walls and the Perez Art Museum, Miami. Miami is also famous for its beautiful beaches, such as South Beach, which offer a blend of relaxation and vibrant nightlife. The city's neighborhoods, like Little Havana, provide an immersive cultural experience with their lively music, authentic cuisine, and colorful street festivals.